In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to switch to light mode on Proton Mail. Whether you're using the Chrome browser or the app, I've got you covered. Let's dive right in and take that first step together. Start by opening Proton Mail on Chrome or launching the app if you're on mobile. Now, I know you might be thinking, why would I want to switch to light mode? Well, there are a few reasons. Some people find light mode less straining on the eyes during daytime or under bright lighting conditions. It can also make text easier to read for certain users, particularly if you're dealing with complex documents or emails. Once you have Proton Mail up and running, navigate to the settings menu. In the browser, you can usually find this by looking for the gear icon, often located at the top corner of your interface. On the app, it's a similar process, but might be positioned slightly differently depending on updates and your device's operating system. Now that you're in the settings menu, look for the option labeled Appearance, or sometimes it's called Theme. This section is where you can toggle different visual aspects of your Proton Mail, making it look just the way you like it. In this section, you will find the option to select Light Mode. It's the opposite of Dark Mode, which has darker background colors. Light mode uses lighter backgrounds and can make everything appear brighter. So find light mode and either click on it directly, or if there is a toggle option, simply switch off dark mode and your interface will change to a lighter version immediately. It's good practice to always look for a Save Changes button or option just to make sure nothing reverts back. In many cases, the settings are applied instantly, but it's handy to save if prompted. And there you go! Your Proton Mail should now be in light mode, offering a completely new and refreshing view of your emails. This change is instant and should make your email experience that bit more comfortable if you prefer a brighter interface. Before we wrap up, here's a little tip. If you ever want a change of mood or need to reduce eye strain at a different time of day, you can always follow these same steps to toggle back to dark mode or explore any other themes Proton Mail offers. Customization is one of the great features of Proton Mail, allowing you to adjust your email environment to suit your needs and preferences perfectly. Thanks for following along with me today. I hope you found this tutorial helpful. If so, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials. Have a great day and happy emailing.